How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. In order to start the process, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Then swipe right to create a story. Now take a picture. After that, tap on arrow on your bottom right corner of your screen. Here tap on close friends. Then tap on add people. Now select any one person from the list. Then tap on share to continue. After that, tap on done. Now tap on your story. Here tap on more on your bottom right corner. Then tap on story settings. Tap on close friends. Then remove that person. After that, tap on done. As you can see, no one can view your story. Then go back to your story and tap on highlight. Here tap on add. Tap on view on profile. As you can see, your highlights have been added to your profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.